Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Nello here with a very beautiful face. You guys already know, okay? So today's wig is from RPGSHOW, and you guys, if you've been on this channel, you know I love RPGSHOW, and they have one of the best quality of wigs I've ever tried. Inside the box, we have a wig tamer, this one, and we also have this very cute bag to store your wigs in. We also get a wig cap, and finally we have this band to help you secure your wig. And guys, the color of this wig, I'm so in love. I cannot wait to try that. Gosh, it's so beautiful. This wig is so gorgeous. So this is a Yaki wig. It's a Yaki texture wig and it's 16 inches. Guys, it's so gorgeous. And it also came pre-plucked. You guys can see it looks absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to have this on my head today. Okay, I already know I'm gonna be feeling myself, looking good, looking all cute. So my cap size is cap size 2, in case you're wondering. I like cap size 2 because it gives me like enough space to maneuver the wig and make it fit snug. Okay, let us go on and fix this on our head without even talking too much because I can't wait. You know why I cannot wait to slay? I literally cannot wait to slay this wig today.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people.
So guys, I love the shape of this lace, right? Like the outline. Wait, hold on. The way it's outlined, I love it. So I've not done this in a long time, but I'm actually going to cut the lace before I put it on my head so that I cut the shape very well. So I follow the shape, because what happens is that most times when you put it on your head first, yeah, when you're cutting it, it's not like, it doesn't go well. So I'm going to try and cut it first. Fingers crossed it goes well. So I'm going to be using this band to secure the wig. This lace literally disappeared. What? And I've not glued it down. Yeah, this what's it called? This wig is also glueless. To be honest, if I wanted to, I could wear this without any spray or any glue. I would just like make the band tighter, because you guys can see, like, I've not glued it down. I've not done anything. And it looks this good.
Sure know how to drink. I came to the party. I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did. 'Cause now you
So I'm not going to be using any glue, but I'll be using this bed head spray. If you guys know me, you know this spray. I love it so much. So this is all I'm going to use to lay this wig today.
You told me there'd be better days, and nothing that can pull us under. You wanna take the pain away, but know that I was born as a fighter. We fade, but we're better than that. We're better than that. I know you know, so why we holding on, holding on. Yeah, seems like we're back on start, but go. I go red and you go left before it turns to red. It's true.
So you guys, it is time to style this wig, and I want to do like that whole half up, like half down, straight. It's going to be straight, and then like this two in front. That's why these two, they're here. So I'm not going to bore you guys too much. Let me just style it because I need to be focused. I need today to be a good hair day for me. So I'm just going to cut it here. Another reason I'm able to make this style is because this is a free part wig. So it's very easy to part. Can you guys see? So you don't have like obstructions when you are parting the hair. It's just easy. It opens easily. Can you guys see what I mean? Can you see what I mean? It's so nice.
There are other ways and other reasons, but only one that cuts to pieces. So why we tryna hide from trust? We could just leave. We failed.
You guys, so I'm going to quickly get my makeup done and then come back and style this wig. It was really a hassle like packing this up here now, but the good thing about this wig, like I said, it has free pattern, so packing it is easy. Like actually pattern the line is very easy, so you're able to create multiple styles with this wig. Okay, let me go on and do my makeup and I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Guys, today's makeup is very simple but very cute. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this band now and finish the styling of this wig. Or you know what, I'm going to straighten this part first before I remove the band. So let's bring this out again. Okay, so now that I'm done, you guys, this hair is so nice. I love kinky straights. I love kinky hair when it's straightened. So it's time to remove this band. I pray to God that it looks perfect. Guys, it looks good. Of course it looks good. Of course I look good. Okay, can you guys see me? So I'm going to finish up the styling. You guys can see this hair here. So I'm going to like just blend everything, make everything look good. I'm going to like have to push this back and like hold it again. You guys will see now. You guys will see. You guys, I am in love. What? Full lace wigs are so gorgeous, and this particular one, full lace Yaki textured wig, I just love it. If you know me, you know I love Yaki wigs, and I love how I was able to style this so easily. Like you guys know, like when the lace is full lace, you can pat it anywhere you want. You can literally pack this into 2 or into 4, like pat it anywhere you want, and you will not have any issues whatsoever. It's not one of those ones that like stop here and then you kind of have to find a way to hide the band or where the sewing starts. No, full lace. Oh, I'm so in love and I look so good. You guys already know. You already know. Tell me 10/10, 11/10, nothing less. Okay, we are nothing less. We don't rate anything less on this channel. I love this wig. RPG show, you guys did a thing. And the color, oh my gosh, the color and the lace as well. I didn't use any foundation or anything, and this lace looks good. It bangs so well. Can you guys see? Like you literally cannot see the lace. I don't know what you guys are seeing, but like in real life, it's so nice. It looks so good. Anyways, like I said, this wig is from RPGSHOW, and all the links you need you will find in my description. So you guys need to go check it out now, because you too can look this good. Like, can you guys see how good I look? I'm busy on my eye that I seen this beauty. Check out all the links in my description, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.